Good morning, students. तो बच्चों, in today's class we will discuss about very important topic of class 10th, chapter number 3, metals and non-metals, that is metallurgy. And in today's class we will discuss about the extraction of the highly reactive metal. And we know the sodium, potassium, calcium is considered as the highly reactive metal in our reactivity series. So in today's class we will discuss about how we extract the sodium metal from its ore. As we know, the sodium is found in its ore, that is a rock salt, and its formula is NaCl. So in today's class we will discuss how can we extract the sodium metal from its ore, sodium chloride. So bachcho, we have taken a molten sodium chloride because we know that the highly reactive metal will be existing in the nature in the form of their oxide or in the form of their chloride. So the sodium will exist in the form of the chloride, like in the ore, sodium chloride. So first of all we have to extract the sodium from the sodium chloride by the help of the electrolysis. Most reactive metal can be extracted by the help of a process that is known as electrolysis. So we can extract the sodium by the help of the electrolysis of sodium chloride, that is the ore of sodium source. Now we have taken a molten sodium chloride, and when we pass the electricity in molten sodium chloride aqueous solution, then it will be break down into sodium and chlorine gas. This is the apparatus used. We have taken a beaker. In that beaker we have placed two electrodes, and we have connected this two electrode with battery. Now we have placed a molten sodium chloride aqueous solution in this beaker. When electric current is passed in both the electrodes, this terminal is connected with the positive, this electrode is connected with positive terminal of battery, and this electrode is connected to the negative terminal of battery. So this electrode is positively charged and this electrode is negatively charged. This electrode which is considered to the positive terminal of battery is the anode, positive electrode, that is written, and this is the negative electrode, and that is the cathode. Now we have filled the molten NaCl, and when the molten NaCl is placed, the NaCl will be break down into sodium ion and chloride ion, Na plus NCl minus. Now the Na plus NCl minus will be present in this molten sodium chloride aqueous solution. Now as we know, the like charge will attract each other the unlike charge will attract each other and the like charge are repel each other. It means that plus plus will repel each other, plus minus will attract each other. So the sodium atom have positively charged. Now it will attract it towards the negatively charged electrode, that is cathode. So due to that, the sodium atom will be deposited at cathode and the chlorine will be deposited at the positive electrode, that is anode, because chlorine is negatively charged. So the chlorine gas is liberated from the anode, and at cathode the sodium will be deposited. So what is the reaction? By the help of this process, the sodium metal will be deposited and the sodium metal will be extracted. So what is happening at cathode and what is happening at anode? बच्चों ध्यान से समझिए. The electronic configuration of sodium 11, that is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, that is 2, 8 and 1. In K shell 2, L shell 8 and M shell it is 1. So the sodium will lose its one electron for reaching the nearest noble gas electronic configuration for making himself stable. So sodium atom will lose one electron and form sodium ion. 281, that is sodium atom electronic configuration, and it will form sodium ion, that is 2 and 8. Now it is stable. Now at cathode, the sodium ion will be deposited at cathode, and sodium ion will take one electron from cathode which is negative electrode and reduces itself to sodium ion to sodium atom. सोडियम आयन टू सोडियम एटम. बच्चों इसको हिंदी में बोलना, ध्यान समझना. सोडियम का इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन अगर हम करते हैं तो ये क्या हो जाएगा 2 8 और 1. अब सोडियम को स्टेबल होने के लिए एक इलेक्ट्रॉन को लॉस करेगा. नियरेस्ट नोबल गैस इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन तक पहुंचने. नियरेस्ट नोबल गैस बच्चों कौन सी होगी? नियॉन. सो नियॉन 10 होगा, नियॉन का एटॉमिक नंबर. तो सोडियम को नियॉन के इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन तक पहुंचने के लिए, स्टेबल होने के लिए एक इलेक्ट्रॉन को लॉस करेगा और सोडियम एटम से सोडियम आयन बन जाएगा. लेकिन बच्चों इस एक्वस सॉल्यूशन में हमारा सोडियम जो है, सोडियम आयन जो है वो सोडियम एटम बनेगा और उसके लिए वो क्या करेगा, जो एक इलेक्ट्रॉन उसने लूज किया है उसको वो क्या करेगा, गेन करेगा. कहां से गेन करेगा? वो गेन करेगा बच्चों हमारे कैथोड से, जो कि नेगेटिव इलेक्ट्रोड है. बच्चों को बात क्लियर रहती? चलिए लिख दिया. तो एट कैथोड, कैथोड में क्या हो रहा है, जो सोडियम आयन है वो एक इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन कर रहा है हमारे कैथोड से और सोडियम एटम बन जा रहा है. बच्चों क्लियर रहती बात? चलिए नाउ विल डिस्कस अबाउट एनोड. बच्चों एट एनोड, एनोड ये है नेगेटिव पॉजिटिवली चार्ज. तो बच्चों एट एनोड which is positively charged electrode, the chlorine gas will be liberated which is negatively charged. So बच्चों we have the electronic configuration of chlorine, that is 2 8 and 7. Now the chlorine atom will need one electron for completing its outermost shell for reaching the nearest noble gas electronic configuration of argon, that is 18. Now the chlorine atom will gain one electron and form chlorine minus. And देखो बेटा, and this is chlorine atom 2 8 and 7 KLM shell. It will gain one electron and it will form chloride ion, that is 288 minus one charge. So in this reaction what is happening at anode, just positively charged electrode at anode. अब बच्चों देखो क्लोरीन जो है वो क्लोराइड आयन से क्लोरीन एटम बनता है. तो that is the chloride ion 288. So chloride ion will lose one electron. जो उसने गेन किया इलेक्ट्रॉन को, अब वो क्या कर रहा है, उस इलेक्ट्रॉन को लूज कर रहा है और क्लोराइड आयन से वो लॉस कर रहा है वन इलेक्ट्रॉन को और फिर क्या बन जा रहा है, क्लोरीन एटम. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन 2 8 और 7. पहले क्या था 288. कब? जबकि उसने गेन किया था एक इलेक्ट्रॉन को. यहां क्या कर रहा है, एक इलेक्ट्रॉन को लॉस कर रहा है और लॉस करने के बाद क्या बना रहा है, क्लोरीन एटम 2 8 और 7.